Hey Gauthama, did you notice? There are more animals in our neighborhood now than before the lockdown?
Oh yeah, I've noticed that too. Good day. Did you know the coronavirus has been rumored to link with wildlife trafficking and wildlife trade of bats, which has caused the spread of coronavirus from animals to humans?
Governments worldwide have placed lockdowns to ensure that the coronavirus does not spread further.
Animals in the wild have started to flourish because of it, but this tale has a dark side too.
Ever since the lockdown started, many daily wages in India have lost their jobs. This has persuaded them to turn to poaching, either to make a profit by trade or to satisfy their hunger cravings, as was the case in 1950s and 60s.
This is not only a problem that has come to pass in India. In African countries, there has been a drastic increase in wildlife trade and bushmeat hunting.
Before the lockdown, wildlife sanctuaries were well protected by safari rangers. Due to the lockdown, they are now vulnerable because most of the rangers have been relieved of duty. This is an upper hand for poachers as they can now easily go into sanctuaries and hunt down these animals.
The solution to this problem lies in other big problems in India. Recently, there have been massive explosions and harmful gas leaks in factories due to relaxation in lockdown rules.
These incidents have occurred due to the ill maintenance of such factories amid the pandemic.
So, what is our solution? Well, we employ people who have lost their jobs due to the pandemic to maintain factories, public parks, tourist places, and government buildings.
How are we going to do this? Step 1. The government should identify such people using their annual income, as it is usually lower than the economical income. The government can identify these people by their unique identity numbers. For instance, in India, it is the Aadhaar number.
Step 2. The government should train these people according to their tasks and education, and also train them to protect each other from COVID-19.
The third and final step. The government should order factory owners to employ them to maintain their factories at an economical wage, thus leaving no reason for them to poach. To further secure animal safety, we can use drones to monitor sanctuaries and forest area for any poaching activities.
To further enhance the solution, we can provide further benefits to people like tax cuts, cuts in interest rates, and education to their children.
How is our solution unique?
Our solution is effective and possible. It revives the economy by decreasing unemployment.
Over 12 crore Indians are unemployed. There are 200,000 factories and more than a million tourist places which are closed due to the lockdown.
If we employ 100,000 people per district to maintain just the parks, then we will be able to employ 60% of the unemployed.
Taking into account of other buildings and roads, we will be able to eradicate unemployment in India completely.
There will also be a significant decrease in the crime rate and further reduced pollution caused by littering.
If our solution was put to work, it would increase wildlife safety
And give hope to poor children
during
these
dark
times.